I am absolutely loving the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Rescue Barrier Balm. This rich, thick cream is a total lifesaver for dry, irritated skin. Not only is it non-comedogenic and perfect for sensitive skin, but it's also incredibly satisfying to apply. It melts into the skin without feeling heavy. I've been using this balm as the final step in my nighttime skincare routine, focusing on extra dry and sensitive areas. By morning, my skin looks glowing and resilient. It's truly amazing. The formula, which includes 1% dimethicone, creates a breathable, protective layer that delivers instant relief and 24-hour hydration to damaged skin. Whether you're recovering from environmental exposure or prescription acne treatments, this balm is the ultimate solution. I'm so impressed with this product that I'll be using it on my kids and recommending it to anyone struggling with dry, irritated skin. Trust me, a little goes a long way. Use it sparingly and let it work its magic. Highly, highly recommend.